Hi everyone. Have you heard how crazy the real estate market has been since December of last year? I personally witnessed and experienced. Hi everyone. My name is Maggie Byers. I am a full-time UCF senior student and a part-time real estate agent. My goal is to start my brokerage upon graduation. Here I'm going to walk you through my business plan, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them at the end of the presentation. First of all, let me give you a little bit of background about myself. I have been a real estate realtor since 2016. I'm a member of Orlando Real Estate Association and the National Realtor Association. I'm also trained as a Gold Key member in real estate, MLS member. The company I'm going to start is Buyers Home LLC. This is a real estate brokerage that will serve Central Florida, specialize in real residential property buy and sell, and then property management. The problem the company are solving here is to help home buyers to find their dream homes, whether they are first home buyers or they're out-of-state buyers, help investors to find investment properties, and then help them to manage residential properties. We guarantee to sell property with top dollar. The other service, the problem we're solving is also help them to manage the vacation homes and Airbnb when the owners are not in the United States or not in Florida. Our solutions are customized to first generation of Chinese immigrants and investors who have a limited knowledge in real estate market, and especially the local real estate market and law. The language barrier when they were buying and investing properties in Central Florida. We find homes that meet their needs and their rate of return requirements. The targeted markets, we're looking at 5 different sectors. One is first home buyers and for investors, property management, out-of-state buyers, and short-term rental. So I will give you a couple of examples on how I come up with the number for the total market size of 6.58 million. So currently I have 23 prospects. For example, for first home buyers, I have 8 prospects that are looking for homes anywhere from 400,000 to 500,000. Using the lower end number, 400,000, 8 of them, then we're looking at sales of 3.2 million. For example, on the property management, we have long-term and then short-term property management. I have a total prospect of 6. So I charge 7 to 10% of a property management fee for rental that vary from $1,500 per month to $4,000 per month. So that area is a fixed market around 6K and 5K. Those are just based on the current prospects. Of course, this number will fluctuate as you have more prospects, and then if the value of the property is on the higher end or on the even lower end. So when I look at the competitive landscape, I have to look at from a horizontal perspective that the big company like Zillow. When Zillow started, it's a media real estate advertising, but through those many years of development, they have launched several real estate programs, such as their referral program called Zillow Flex, and they also got into the real estate buy and sell, which is a flipping home called Zillow Offers, and their Zillow network has become the largest real estate market network website. So currently, they are they're nationwide. They reach so many customers, but our solution can be better for them. It's more on a personal level that we communicate better, communicate faster. The second one is Century 21. It's a franchise, which is the first firm that I joined when I got my license because of their trainings and because of the standards that they use. But the downside with them is they don't have a flexible hours, and then they charge a higher transaction fee, administration fee, and royalty fee. So compared to them, we can offer a flexible hours 24/7 and a lower fee. The third one is a private company that has been doing very well in the real estate market, which is called Intop Realty. That's the brokerage that I'm with. The problem with them is they charge you the high percentage of a commission. As a realtor, new realtor, the first 10 transactions, doesn't matter how big the amount, how low is, they charge you about 30 to 40% of your commission, which I think that's a huge cut. And then my firm will be able to offer a lower commission cut. So now we're looking at the findings. I'm looking is more on the software side, that to build a website that I can advertise properly that I can advertise properties on my own website instead of using solely rely on Zillow and another big company out there. And then mainly is to track the visitors' information, and then can do information intake along with the CRM software. And then we can also use the Quicken Loan software to track the company expenses, licensing fees, and other commissions and pay out to the realtors. So the sales channels I'm looking at, the first one, of course, is the official site, the multi-listing site. That's be used widely by realtors and brokers. The other one will be those listing companies like Zillow, Redfin, Chula, etc. And then Facebook and Marketplace. I've started the YouTube channels to show homes for new market and existing homes. And then the trend is to have short videos and advertisement on Instagram or TikTok. The market activity. So there are 5 main marketing activities that we're going to work on, which is run the Google Business Ads. We wanted to create a business presence online and then be able to let other people find us easily. And also we're going to do the YouTube channels, which is people can look at it during their spare time and then to know where the home source is. And then they can contact us through the YouTube channel or the contact information we have there. The other aspect is that the network is big for realtors, and then the brokerage will attend the realtor expo events to see what's the most information out there to get the information on legislative, the law changes, and then run Facebook groups and marketplace ads and direct emailing as a more efficient and broad way to reach vast of customers. So the financial projections are current is based on the current prospect. With many more prospect or the buyers comes in, and that we can see the profit will make a profit after deduct all the expenses and then the costs. So as you can see that based on the current business market value, and we still have a very good profit throughout the years. If you have any questions, now it's time for clarifications. Otherwise, I thank you very much for watching.